In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Gmail integration in Excello so that you can start syncing your emails, contacts, calendar events, and tasks between Excello and Gmail. Once logged into Excello, just go to your user ID dropdown on the top right to access the integrations menu. Once on the integrations menu, Gmail or the Google integration will be the second option available. So click there. Then just click on Connect your deployment to Google. This will bring a pop-up that asks you to sign in to your Gmail account. Once signed in, this will open your options for the Gmail integration. So let's run through these options so everyone knows what these do. The first section here is for your email sync options. This first option here, turned on by default, is to reach out periodically into your Gmail inbox and bring over any new emails that you receive into Excello. Keep in mind that the only emails that we'll be bringing into Excello are those that were sent from contacts that you already have saved in the system. So we won't be bringing over any emails from people that aren't already saved in your Excello system as a contact under a company. This second option will do the same thing, but now it's looking for your outgoing emails. So we'll periodically reach into your sent folder to see if you've sent any new emails. Same thing, if you've sent those emails to an existing contact that's in Excello, we will bring those into Excello and place them against the company record. This option down here, this is what you want to do in Gmail with the email when that email has been actioned in Excello. Actioning an email in Excello is replying to it, or you can mark it as action to indicate that you don't need to reply to it. Actioning in Excello is very similar to archiving an email in Gmail. So you'll see we offer you similar options there. So when you action an email in Excello, you can have it marked as read in Gmail. You can have it archived in Gmail, or mark as read and archived. Or you can have it not update the email in Gmail at all. Personally, I use the mark as read in archive option. So it's essentially doing the same thing in Gmail as it's doing in Excello when I read and action an email. The next section down here is your contact sync options. The first option here, sync changes for contacts imported from Google or manually pushed to Google. So if you have contacts that you have imported from Google into Excello, or if you have created contacts in Excello that were then pushed into your Google contact list, having this option on will make sure that their contact details are always synced. So if you update them, they will be updated in both systems. This second option, push and sync contacts created, edited in Excello to Google. If this is on, any new contacts that you create in Excello will get pushed into your Google contact list as well. Auto import email history for new contacts. So when you do make a new contact in Excello, this will automatically go in to your Gmail inbox and look for any historical emails with that contact, and we'll bring all those into Excello as well and store them against that contact and company record. The second option down here is the one exception to what I said earlier, that we will not be bringing over any emails from anyone that is not already a contact in Excello. With this option, if you receive an email from a sender that we can match the domain name from their email address to another existing contact's domain name, we will recognize that you are working with that same company based on their email's domain and add that contact automatically into that same company in Excello for you, and then also start bringing in their emails. So very useful to have on, especially if you're working with different people from the same company Maybe you were working with one contact in the sales process, and now you're on to working on the actual project, and the project manager on their end reaches out to you and you hadn't previously had their contact in the system. We will recognize that and automatically bring that contact and start syncing their emails into Excello. Down here at the bottom, you have some contact import preferences. If you have the wizard option, this will allow you to click on the wizard link here to then pick out contacts that you want to bring into Excello. So you get to pick and choose which ones you bring over, and then we'll bring them into Excello and have that record in here as well. If you use the automatic option here, this will automatically sync all of your clients and all of your contacts in Google into Excello. I typically don't recommend this. You usually don't want every one of your contacts in Google and Excello. Typically in Excello, you just want your clients and vendors and stuff related to work. You wouldn't want any personal contacts or spammers brought in or anything like that. Just your client work really. So that option will bring over every contact you have in your Google contacts list. And then you can also just disable this if you don't want us bringing in any contacts from your Gmail contact list. You spend a lot of time making sure your company records are cleaned up and in Excello correctly. So you might not want Google bringing over more contacts automatically. The next options down here are for your calendar sync. So this first option, sync scheduled activities with your Google Calendar and import changes. So this will bring over any changes you make to your scheduled activities in Excello. It'll push your meetings and scheduled events into your Google Calendar. And then if you change them, change the time or date in Google, that will also come back into Excello and update it. And then the second option, import appointments from Google Calendar and show and schedule. This will look at your Google Calendar, and if you have anything scheduled there that wasn't in Excello, we will bring it into Excello and reflect those events in your Excello schedule as well. The last option down here is the task sync option. So if you have this on, we can push your tasks that you have set up in Excello to your Google task list as well.